Today we have with us Mr. Amolak Singh, Managing Director, India and Southeast Asia. Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Could you please let us know about HAIMER products and solutions?
See, HAIMER has been the industry leader since 45 years in the space of tool shrinking, balancing, and also now in the presetting. And we have been working around the machine tool as a system provider which helps our customers to optimize their manufacturing processes. HAIMER has always believed in bringing the latest and the newest technology in the marketing space. Whether it came to the leading HAIMER shrinking tool holders, where we are the largest manufacturer of the shrinking in the world, which helps our customers to really cut down their productions drastically. Similarly, if you look at our i4.0 shrinking machines and the presetting machines, as I said earlier, we are here to help our customers improve their manufacturing processes and reduce their costs, which is very much essence to all of our customers, keeping in mind that the input costs around the world are going up drastically.
All right. IMTEX 2023 is coming. Post-COVID, it is the first cutting tool show. What are HAIMER plans?
Yeah, we are very excited to be meeting all of our customers after nearly 3 years, and we are looking forward to have face-to-face interactions. We are going to be there in hall number 4, stall 143. Please do come and interact with our teams. We will be showcasing for the first time our hybrid machine, that's tool shrink along with presetting together with accuracies of plus minus 2 microns. We are also going to be showcasing our i4.0 shrinking machines, the full range of i4.0 shrinking machines. I believe this is the largest full range of shrinking machines around the world, and we are excited to interact more with our customers.
Okay. When it is coming to India and the Indian manufacturing MSMEs, what is the kind of mindset you find when it is coming to technology adoption?
India is a unique market in many ways, and especially for me because I handle overseas countries as well. And India is very, very much inquisitive about the new technologies. I think all of our customers are looking at the latest technologies, but at the same time, there's always a price performance ratio, which is very, very sensitive topic in India. So sometimes it does come in the way of moving forward in terms of the manufacturing processes because the price issue continues to dominate. And we fully understand that being an evolving economy, there will be huge pressures of price. But sometimes it's important to look at the overall cost structure rather than only the price per se.
What are your plans for India for the next 5 years down the line?
We are very excited about India. We just moved this year. We have a wonderful showroom here. We are continuing to add people. And I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our customers. We just completed 15 years yesterday of HAIMER India. And we hope to at least more than double up in the next coming years. But I think more important is how can we make the Indian manufacturing more cost competitive, more productive, and continue to work more closely with our customers in delivering the value propositions that HAIMER globally believes in.
We are seeing in India a lot of emphasis on Make in India right now. How HAIMER is empowering Indian manufacturers to make in India?
See, HAIMER has a slightly different take on that. Most of our products are patented and very highly technology driven, and there are certain challenges in terms of transfer of technology. Having said that, we stock all of our products in India, and as I said, we are continuing to work a lot with our Indian manufacturers at the end of the day to help them produce all the complex parts in a much better and a much systematic manner. And that's why we have the latest technology coming into India, and I'm sure that will allow our customers to be more competitive as they move up the value chain. I think that becomes very important, is as the market evolves, everyone has to move up the value chain, and we bringing the global experience and the products around the world to help our customers to move up the value chain.
Thank you so much, sir. So as you rightly heard, that HAIMER is empowering Indian manufacturers to move up the value chain. Visit them at stall number 143, hall number 4 at IMTEX 2023 to explore range of solutions from HAIMER. Thank you.